Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use one-handed mode in Samsung Galaxy F15 5G smartphone. Okay, to use it first you have to enable it. Okay, to enable it, go to settings. Okay, now in settings, scroll down and go to advanced features, and here you can see one-handed mode. Tap on it to enable it, and if we tap here, so here you can see we have gestures and button available. Swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen to go in one-handed mode like this. You can see now it is in one-handed mode, and this is to move left or right, and tap outside again to go in full screen mode. You can see, and this is the button feature available. Okay, for this, double tap the button to go in one-handed mode. You can see now it is in one-handed mode. You can see, and tap outside to again go in full screen mode. You can see, double tap to go in one-handed mode like this. You can see this is the really easy and convenient method to use one-handed mode in Samsung Galaxy F15 5G smartphone. So guys, this is the method to use one-handed mode in Samsung Galaxy F15 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query latest video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.